Hey guys, it's Rebecca Oberstadt, and I got my Birchbox last Saturday. I picked it up from the mailbox. Sounds like a really can of some sort in there rolling around. It's making a tinkling noise. Hear it? I like getting my Birchbox because I like getting products that I've never heard of or never tried before, or it's something that it would have been too expensive for me to buy, and I'm, really don't have a whole lot of money, so it's not like I can afford to buy a whole lot of stuff. So I really like the fact that Birchbox is only $10 a month. Oh, the box is pretty. It's got nips all over it. And I save these boxes and reuse them. This lid is a little shorter than most of them. Here's another one for an example. See the difference in the size of the lid? That's kind of crazy. Okay, so let's see what we got. To you, lipstick is red and pink and fuchsia. Eyeshadow is blue, well, some of it. You are simply amazing and dazzling and remarkable. This is our love letter to you, XOXO Birchbox. It says, let your lips do the talking with this month's samples. Bio Republic Skincare Pomegranate Crush Illuminating Fiber Mask. I've never tried one of these. I've seen other people get them. Mask infused with natural pomegranate extract and vitamin E, brightens and energizes skin tone, evens and smooths complexion for radiant, fresh, and balanced skin. A biodegradable fiber mask that snugly fits the contours of your face, ensuring optimal delivery of moisture and vital nutrients to the skin. That's cool. I like these, and for people that have never tried a sheet mask, usually I shake it down so that it's all the way down at the bottom, or the other way around, depending on where it's stuck. Right now it's stuck at the top, where you would, cut it open. And whatever fluid is left over, if you take like a cosmetics pad and stick it down in there, I usually take the mask and I squeeze it, and then I use it, and you can do one of two things. Put the cosmetic pads down in there, and then put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in the fridge so you can use it for another mask later. Or you can take the mask when it's done and then fold it back up and stick it back in, and again, put it in a Ziploc bag and put it in your fridge, and then you can get more than one use out of these, even though, you're only supposed to use it once. And I actually have been drinking cranberry pomegranate juice from Ocean Spray lately, so. And the funny thing is, I just got this, which is the EOS pomegranate lip balm. So that's kind of funny. That's the one I chose to bring today. Okay, the next item, it says Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Skin Exfoliant. Age-defying exfoliator, exfoliant anti-age. All skin types. Age-defying exfoliator. Dr. Brandt's recommended dampened skin, warm water, blah, 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 massage. 1 to 2 times per week, allowing 3 days between application. And most of it's in French, and there's no ingredients on here, so I have to look them up online so that I can look and see if I'm going to be allergic to anything on it. It says, this breakthrough at-home treatment gives a glowing complexion. Apply to damp skin and massage in circular motions, avoiding the eye area. Use 1 to 2 times weekly. It says a full size is $79. That's really expensive, because the microdermabrasion that I make is like $25 for a 1-ounce glass jar. Alright, the next item says Dr. Jart Plus Premium Beauty Balm SPF 45 Plus, which I really don't need because I don't go out in the sun. Says a cult favorite. This all-in-one provides light coverage, anti-aging benefits, and mega SPF. Blend a nickel-size amount onto clean skin. Follow with concealer if needed. So, multi-action skincare plus makeup. Doesn't say what color it is. Oh, light to medium. That's a really tiny BB cream. But I guess it's better than, this is also a BB cream. So one I got last month. This one says matte tint. And this one was way too dark. Let's see what color it is. Whoa. Okay, I got excited. So it's pretty close to my skin color. So we'll see. I have a peppermint in my mouth if anybody's wondering. And I just got off of work and I gotta go grocery shopping now. The dreaded place I call hell, which is everybody else calls Walmart. Now it's kind of like overcast outside, so it's kind of hard to see. And I only put it on areas on my face where I've got breakouts right now. It's a little pink for my skin tone, but for the most part, everywhere I put it, it seems to blend in pretty okay. I don't know, I think it evened out. Now, of course, my face is a little red here from me rubbing, but I think it evened out my nose pretty okay, and it moisturized that spot that I had dry skin on. Trying to get the product out of the grooves. Next item is Chlorine Dry Shampoo with Oat Milk. It says volumizer, texturizer, waterless cleanser, and oil absorber. No matter what you call this award-winning spray, it gives you an endless option for the perfect dew. It says full size is $20, which is actually not that bad for a dry shampoo. I think I just spent $16 on one that was Herbal Essence, I think is what the brand was that I bought. I got it at Publix. It says gentle formula for all hair types, cleans hair without water. Of course, it's in French. Half of it's in French, of course, because it comes from Paris. Just says, shake well before use and spray evenly 10 inches away from the hair, focusing on the roots. Leave on 2 minutes and then brush hair thoroughly until the powder is removed. And since my hair has product in it and it's in a bun, I'm not going to worry about trying this right now. Alright. Then it says, the next item is the Manicandar Cosmetics Lip Locked in Sienna. The full size is $24. A primer, lip stain, and gloss in one. This innovative product ensures that your lips stay lusciously hydrated and smooth all day while delivering rich, long-lasting pigment. So, this is actually kind of like a burnt sienna color if you're, thinking about a Crayola crayon. And I think it's a color I could probably pull off. If you're not subscribed to Birchbox, I'll go ahead and leave my link in there too if you want to try it. I mean, you can try it for 1 month and see if you like it. I mean, it's only $10, and then you get these cute little boxes that you can reuse. This one here says active ingredients, titanium dioxide and zinc oxide. But I've used Dr. Jart's products before, and I've never had any problems with them. And the Manicandar, I've got their eyeshadow highlighter blush combo called Fantasy. I really love it. I got one months ago, and then I just got another one recently. So now I have one brand new, unopened, that I have for sale. So if somebody wants to buy it, I will go ahead and post the pictures on Instagram and a link of where you can buy it. But looking at the ingredients on here, of course, mineral oil is the first one. That's a little scary. Made in China. And the company is actually out of Belgium. So this is the color. It's actually a really pretty, like, neutral brown with, like, kind of a hint of orange. It's pretty much a color that I would wear on a regular basis, so I'll go ahead and apply it. It's actually not much darker than my natural lip color, so actually a really pretty color. I like it. And it's kind of drying on my hand. Nope, that part's still tacky. So let me go ahead and wipe this off before I end up smearing it on myself and on myself. I'll decorate myself with it. So that was everything in my Birchbox for February of 2017. So it came with this cute card, again with the descriptions of everything on the back. The cute box with the lips on it. And then here is everything that I got in my box. Well, if you guys have any questions about Birchbox or the subscription or any of the products that I got, feel free to leave a comment down below in the comment section. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, then hit that subscribe button down below. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos, then go ahead and hit that little bell symbol next to the subscribe button. And that way it will give you options as to how you want to be notified in the future when I post and upload videos. Again, my name is Rebecca Oberstadt. Hopefully you enjoyed the items that I got in the box. The BB cream, I can feel it, kind of has like it's not tacky anymore, but it feels like kind of like I put powder on almost. And the lip color is perfect. And since I've got product in my hair, I'm not going to use the dry shampoo, of course, or the sheet mask since I'm fixing to go somewhere. But if you guys have any questions or any comments or suggestions, then feel free to leave them below. I will see you guys later. Bye.